Namaste and welcome. Today is about the Hindi alphabet A, which is a vowel and also the first alphabet of Hindi script, which is called Devnaagari script. In today's video, I have 35 more Hindi words for you, starting with the alphabet A. Earlier, I posted a video with 35 easy Hindi words starting with A, and some other alphabets too. Learning words starting with different alphabets will not only improve your vocabulary but also increase your comfort level with different Hindi alphabets. This, in turn, will help you learn the language faster even if you are only interested in learning spoken Hindi and not reading and writing it. So, after this video, check out some of these other videos and please subscribe to my channel. Let's start. The first word is avatar. Avatar. Incarnation. Apman. Apman. Insult. Avsar. Avsar. Opportunity. Adrak. Adrak. Ginger. Ananas. Ananas. Pineapple. Avakash. Avakash. Leave or holiday. Achanak. Achanak. Suddenly. Akal. Akal. Famine. Alp. Alp. Meager or small. Amrood. Amrood. Guava. Agla. Agla. Next. Atithi. Atithi. Guest. Adhir. Adhir. Impatient. Ashwa. Ashwa. Horse. This is one of the words in Hindi for horse. There's another word which is ghoda. Akaran. Akaran. Without reason or cause. As a side note, this is one of those Hindi words in which karan itself has a meaning, which is reason or cause, and when you add a in front of it, then it becomes the opposite meaning, that is without reason or cause. There are many Hindi words like this, and some of them I have in this video, which I will point out as we see them in the video. Adh jala, half burnt. Aspatal, hospital. Unbun, rift, as in rift between two people. So if we say there's a rift between these two, we can say there is an unbun between these two people. Abhyas, practice. Anubhav, experience. Anurag, affection. This is a common boy's name in Hindi. Anukul, favorable. Anupat, ratio. Anurodh, request. Anuchit, improper. Adhikansh, majority. Arjit, earned, as in earned income. Atirikt, extra or additional. Atyadhik, too much, as in this is too much food. Asamarth, unable. Again, this is one of those words where adding an in the front makes the meaning opposite. So samarth is able, and when we say asamarth, it becomes unable. Aparichit, unacquainted. Again, parichit is acquainted. When we add a in front of the word parichit, it becomes unacquainted. Aseemit, unlimited. Seemit is limited, aseemit is unlimited. Astitva, existence. अनुयायी, अनुयायी, follower. And the last word is anivarya, anivarya, mandatory. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.